You will learn how to edit the prices in the calendar. So you can just click on the field you want to edit, for example, this one, and then you just insert the price and hit enter, and then the new price will be saved. 1, 2, 3, and then you save the price. Or you can do it on right click on the price calendar, and then you can edit it for a longer period, like this, for 1 year, for example, or 2 years. Then you just save it, and then it will go to the whole period. So you can directly edit it here or right click, and the right click function is really good and helpful. And you can apply this right click onto availability. Also, you can change the availability, an easy way for more days like this, not just 1 day. So you can see it has been changed for 3 days, minimum stay, maximum stay. You can apply the same formula. So it's quite easy to use this function to change the prices, right click, and then that's like a quick update. You also have quick update, but that's a bit more complex with more options to do. What I really recommend is this one, right click, and then you change it for a longer period of time as well. Quick update, it's when you want to do it, apply some same availability, for example, for all your room types, then it will go directly and it's faster this way. I hope you enjoyed. All the best.